egg roll in a bowl. Live, ready to go. Today we're gonna do whatever we're gonna call this shit. Today we're gonna do egg roll in a bowl. We're gonna take some funky chicken and put it in a skillet. We shredded up a couple of chicken breasts, but you know what's really good? If you got one, use a rotisserie chicken. Shred it up, get it in a hot skillet. Then we're gonna throw in a bag of coleslaw, or you can shred your own cabbage. Then a bag of stir-fried vegetables. We can just throw it right in there frozen. Add some seasoning, and we're gonna get all this served up over some wild rice, so stick around, it's gonna be amazing. All right, let's get our funky chicken into the skillet. Now comes the cabbage. And this is gonna reduce way down, so don't think, oh my gosh, who's gonna eat all that? It's gonna be delicious. And then I'm gonna throw in some raw corn that I cut off the cob, just because I have some. And on top of that, I will season this with a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. This is good stuff. Doesn't take a lot to get some really good flavor. Now this goes on the stove under medium heat until this all reduced down. We got it reduced down just a little bit, so now we can add some of those frozen vegetables we talked about. And I'm gonna hit it with some garlic powder. And you got to have a scrambled egg. So I have already scrambled an egg. Look at that, voila! We'll give all this a giant stir. Garlic powder, and 1 of these. This is why you call it egg roll in a bowl, because there's no roll. You can eat yourself skinny on this stuff, people. Protein, vegetables, delicious. Soy sauce, you gotta give this a try. Have you ever made anything like this? Asian fusion funky chicken. Beautiful colors in this. You gotta give us a like and a subscribe and a comment. Egg roll in a bowl.